Imagine this, one day you wake up on a super hot afternoon only to realize that you cannot walk, use your hands, or even speak. You are lying alone in your bed, and the only thing that you need is just a breeze of air from the fan just above you. However, its switch is placed very far away from the place where you are resting.
Well, this is the reality. For over 1.8 billion people across the globe are dependent to someone else for even the simplest tasks, just like turning on the lights or fan. But what if someone could change that? Something as simple as blink.
This is a BlinkLink system. BlinkLink is a smart, affordable, innovative, and comfortable piece of hardware that allows the elderly, paralyzed, and disabled to control remote appliances with just the power of a phone. Now, no need to fiddle with switches or digital buttons or give any kind of complex voice commands. You just need a blink.
Our product uses an electrode placed on the top of the frames of our glasses to detect the changes in capacitance around your eye. Your eyelid is able to cause that fluctuation, using which we can record the position of your eyelid, thus detecting intentional blinks. The glasses also use a gyroscope to activate DVC, where you have the ability to turn on only the appliance you are looking at to avoid interference with other appliances around your home. Whenever we detect a blink and we detect that you want to turn on a device, using a simple AI algorithm, our glasses send a wireless signal to a receiver, which in turn operates the selected appliances using relays.
Now, you might be really excited to see this product actually being used, right? Here, we have one of our friends testing our glasses. As you can see, there is no need for any motion other than blinks. We have tried and tested our product with many of our friends and have received positive feedbacks.
We have multiple competitions such as Meta, Ray-Ban, Amazon Alexa, etc. But no one completely solved this problem. Either too expensive or uncomfortable to use. For a comparison, our product costs just rupees 1700 to produce and are super light to use with a simple goal to gain independence, aligning with SDG 3, 9, 10 and 11.
BlinkLink is not just an accessibility device, it's a tool that has the potential to be the spirit of hope for several communities around the world. Because sometimes even a blink can be powerful. Sometimes a blink can change lives.